Meet the teacher, back to school night, open house, whatever you may call it, can feel like a lot of pressure. In this video, I'm sharing tips on how to make this event run a little more smoothly. Hit that like button and let's get started. Welcome back. My name is Rachel Vincent and I share tips on how to run an effective and efficient classroom so that you not only survive but thrive as a teacher. First of all, your classroom does not have to be 100% ready before your Meet the Teacher night. It should be cleaned and organized and inviting, but what's behind closed doors, what didn't get put on the walls yet, no one is going to notice because your students are not there to look at how cute your classroom's decorated. They're there to meet you and hope that they're gonna have a great year. Most years that I've had a Meet the Teacher night, it has been a drop-in style where parents and families could come and go as it fit their schedule. And so what really worked for me was just being organized and having everything set up so that if I was talking with a family and another family came in, they could be signing in and filling out forms and different things like that. This year we had a presentation style Meet the Teacher where everyone came right at 6 o'clock and sat down and I presented the information to parents. I got this tip from Allie at Just a Primary Girl, and she said to have parents fill out forms while you were talking so that they are not just sitting there and staring at you. Because I don't know about you, but I can act a fool in front of my students, but put me in front of a group of adults and it is nerve-wracking. This night might be the only night that some of the parents and family members come into your classroom. So make sure when they are there, you get the information you need. Make sure you're getting the email address that parents use the most or the phone number if they've changed phone numbers. Make sure you have all of that information so that when it's time to communicate with parents when they are not at school, you have all of that. One thing that really helped me, especially when we had the drop-in type Meet the Teacher, was to have signs everywhere so parents knew what to do when I wasn't able to talk to them right away. I used plastic frames from the Dollar Tree. You can also get them at Walmart, and printed out signs so parents knew where to go to sign up. I used these same signs for parents to organize the paperwork that they filled out while I was talking so that I didn't have to sort the paperwork at the end of the night. That was another little tip I got from Allie at Just a Primary Girl. Make sure you have a wish list for your families. It never fails that a parent will ask me, is there anything else we need to bring in or anything else you'll need? And by having something to give the parent and say, yes, here's my wish list, take an item, it would be so helpful, thank you so much. Or if you want to do a QR code or a link to an Amazon wish list, however you want to do it, if parents are going to ask to donate, have something for them to donate. If you have something that every student and family needs to have, I would recommend putting it on the student's desk. That way, you know, if that item is gone at the end of the night, that family was there and came, or if they came and forgot to sign in and the items are missing, you know they were there. It's also easy to know who wasn't there, and you can collect those items to be able to give to them when they show up to school on the first day. If you need signs and forms done for you and easily editable, you can find my Meet the Teacher kit in my TPT store. I have that linked below.